Why does my truck smell like a swamp? Every drive feels like a battle with odors. I clean, I spray, but nothing works. Is my cabin cursed? Dust clouds swirl every time I turn the AC. My passengers wrinkle their noses in disgust. I spend a fortune on air fresheners. Still, the stench wins every time. Could my filter be the villain? I pull out my old cabin filter. It's flimsy, thin, and gray with grime. No wonder my air is toxic. I search for answers online. So many brands, so many promises. Which one actually works? I stumble upon Spearhead Odor Defense. Up to 25% longer life? Sounds unreal. Activated carbon from coconut shells? Can it really block odors and gases? Fits my F-150 perfectly. DIY install too. I decide to give it a shot. Installation is shockingly simple. Manual guides me step by step. No tools, no sweat, no mechanic bills. The filter feels twice as heavy. Layers of protection. Dust, anti-inflammatory, absorption, carbon. I start my truck, hold my breath. Air rushes in. Crisp, clean, countryside fresh. No more exhaust fumes or nasty odors. Passengers relax, breathing easy. I drive through pollen storms, nothing gets through. Even after months, air stays pure. 15,000 miles, still going strong. My old filter never lasted this long. Generic brands can't compete with this power. I check the comparison chart. Spearhead wins, hands down. Why sacrifice your health for cheap filters? Truck owners, DIY fans, listen up. Don't settle for weak, thin filters. Choose Spearhead Odor Defense Breathe Easy. Enjoy every mile with fresh, protected air. Order now. Your truck and lungs will thank you.